we're gonna look at some of the best websites of 2024. First up, we got Studio Sen Tempo. Ooh, I like it. I wonder if that is a video background. This is actually quite nice. And then the menu, yep, really like this one. Everything's smooth. Okay, I am really curious how they're doing these balloons in the background. Is this just like an MP4 on loop? Must be. Oh yeah, very smooth, very clean, very simple. Honestly, I'm not a huge fan of these like overly complex scroll animations. To me, they feel a bit overdone at this point, but everything is really smooth and it's not confusing. I really like how they've done this. I like how all the text kind of has its own space. It's not being crammed by a bunch of unneeded graphics. Everything's super clear, easy to read. Modern web applications of pure Python. Cool. This kind of reminds me of Slack colors a little bit. All of the different colors and then this dark purple. And then we've got some, looks like some tabs over here with a nice little animation in between. Honestly, not a huge fan of the colors. Okay, then we got the stacking tabs there. Yeah, I mean, just a nice clean website. Cool. Cumulus. Okay, let's see what we got here. We've got a nice scroll animation. All right. I mean, this is great for my computer. I'd be curious to see how this plays on a less powerful laptop or what they have for mobile. But yeah, I mean, everything's really smooth. It almost feels like you can almost touch the materials. So I really like it. Yep, nice big, bold pictures of the product right here. Really like that. I'm curious what they're doing for mobile. Let's check out mobile. Oh, so it looks like they're actually doing like a completely different mobile experience without all of the background videos. Yeah, okay, so interesting. Okay, got a nice loading animation. Oh, yes. Yes. Absolutely love this. I don't know what exactly this is, how they did that loading animation, but very smooth, very satisfying to watch. Again, clean, simple hierarchy. Nothing is overly done. Oh my goodness, yes. Oh yes. This reminds me of a studio logo animation. Just so cleanly done. Turns 2D to 3D. Yeah, each section transitions to each other very cleanly. Really like how that's done. Again, I'd be curious to see how these are done on mobile, but desktop experience is top notch. Oh yes, I love this. Got this little blueprint masking section right here. Yeah, I'm sure page speed score isn't great for this site, but everything looks and performs pretty great on desktop. Let's try analyzing the page speed here. I'm just curious. So they got the loading animation on mobile. Wow, they're actually doing all of this on mobile as well. Actually, that's not the worst mobile page speed score I've seen. 47 out of 100 for performance is not actually that bad for how much animation they have on this. Well done. Okay. A lot of scrolling animations here. Looks like you were just scrolling through some of their projects. Not a huge fan of this light red color, but everything else looks very well done. Igloo, okay. Nice. 3D design is great. Scroll down to discover more. Again, we got some more scrolling animations. I'm guessing this is 3JS, could be wrong, but what I like about this is that it's not just scrolling through images and flickering, but it's actually scrolling through actual 3D models, which I really like. I would say the substance of the website is pretty poor, but all of the transitions and the 3D design is very, very, very well done. Bored cow, clean. Yep, I like that they're sticking with the outline theme. Everything has outlines, whether it's the testimonials here or the graphics that we see on the site. When I think of bored cow, I'm gonna think of these outlined graphics, and they've done a really good job of helping me remember that. Create a cow? Oh my goodness. You can create your own cow. This is one of those things where as a designer, you probably spend so much time on, and in terms of how much revenue it generates, I don't know, but I mean, you can definitely tell that the designer spent a lot of time on this site. All right, get it done. There's a little bit of clashing and just in terms of how much colors on this opening page, but the visual is extremely professional, looks great. Nice wavy transition here. Man, product images, if you have a product that needs to be photographed, don't go cheap on those photographs, because I mean, all this food looks phenomenal to me. Lots of different colors, that's okay. I think the colors kind of help me envision the food that I'm about to eat. Fabric in beta, one home for everything. Obviously they're going for simplicity, which isn't always a bad thing. Simplicity is oftentimes good. Everything in one workspace. Yeah, I mean, they're trying to create simplicity through their product, and so their design matches up with that. Everything is supposed to be organized. It's supposed to be in its place in like these folders it kind of looks like. So yeah, I think the design does the job, even though it's not bold or in your face or have crazy scroll animations. I think it does the job that the company was looking for. Got a nice little scroll animation here to show you how we do it. I think these guys have done a good job to help stop at each location as you're scrolling and then play the animation. And I think it just helps simplify things for the user and it makes it a little bit more usable. Oh my goodness. Again, this is just one of those things that designers and developers spend so much time on that only a small portion of users are actually gonna see, but it's just so much fun to play with. Live blocks. Okay, a little bit herky-jerky here, but okay, I'm interested. I'm intrigued. Okay, nice little take on bento grids, but switching it up a little bit. I like it. Oh, I see what's going on. Unlock collaboration in your product. Okay, I think I see what they're getting at here with the ability to drag and drop things on top of each other. Interesting way to go about it. I do like how they've color-coded each section. So we've got like the yellow, orange up here, the green down here, and then the purple over here. It just helps separate things and organize them into their own little frames. So those are some of the best Webflow websites of 2024 so far. I did not get through my full list, so maybe I'll have to make another video if you like this one. If you do, let me know. If you want to see anything else in the future or any other types of videos on the Webflow topic, let me know. We'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.